In this video, I'll show you how to change the operator in Call of Duty Black Ops 7 multiplayer mode. All you have to do is launch the game and you'll access the Call of Duty homepage and then select Call of Duty Black Ops 7. And then from here, scroll down and select multiplayer. Now within the multiplayer section, navigate using your L1 or the R1 button, and navigate to the operators option or section. And then from here, you can choose the operator that you'd like to change to. So you can choose the JSOC faction or you can choose the guild faction. So find the operator that you'd like to change to. So let's say, for instance, this particular operator. All you have to do is highlight them and then press the equip button on your controller, and that will equip that will change the operator. Also, you can do the same for the guild side. So find the operator that you'd like to switch to. So let's say this one or this one, and then select the equip button, and that will change the operator. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.